Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this super cute and easy ice-dyed sweat set. For the materials, you'll need a white sweatshirt, white biker shorts, tie-dye, bags, gloves, rubber bands, ice, and a cooling rack. First, get the shirt and shorts wet. Then scrunch them up and rubber band them to hold them in place. After that, place them on the cooling rack and cover them in ice. Take your tie-dye and randomly put it all over the top of the ice. Let them sit until the ice melts. Then put them in bags until the next day. Once the dye has sat long enough, rinse them out until the water runs clear. Cut off the rubber bands. Wash them with mild detergent and warm water and dry on medium heat. And that's it! Look at how cool the design turned out, and it really was super simple to do. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please make sure to like, comment, or subscribe below. Thanks for watching! Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.